Hello everyone. In today's video we are talking about Crazy Snake update Lucky Draw. Probably if you are playing this game you have noticed this Lucky Draw function has appeared in the last week. Alright, if you want to see a full tutorial about this game, how to play and how to make NFTs, how to use staking, how to use token staking and welfare center, how to play and all the functions of this game, NFT market you have here. I leave you a link in the description where you can see this game explained at maximum with everything except the new update that we're gonna talk about today, the Lucky Draw. Alright, so what is Lucky Draw? Every day you are opening Welfare Center and you are spending your 16 free draws and you are winning in your backpack Joy Egg pieces, feed and hourglass. We're not gonna talk about food and time. Today we're gonna talk about Joy Eggs from Joy Egg pieces, egg made from egg pieces. With those egg and Joy Egg, if you open them, let's open them live now. We're gonna do the demonstration. Alright, we opened the 2 Joy Eggs. If I go in the backpack now, I open only one. Okay, it goes to NFT gallery. It brings you a new NFT. If I go to evolve, I can see all of them maybe. Yes. Those green NFTs that are very low, here you can see. If you go to NFTs, you can see the ranks on those squares on the right. You can see the ranks: common, good, excellent. I don't have rare, epic and legendary. I only have common, good and excellent. But the common ones, let's go back, you're gonna get from Welfare Center in the backpack as Joy Egg pieces and egg pieces, and you're gonna make a lot, maybe 1-2 every day, and you're gonna convert them on your NFT galleries on the green NFTs, level 1. You don't grow them, and at some point you're gonna have a lot of them. For that they made the Lucky Draw, because maybe you're not able to sell all of them. You put them in the market to sell them and you're not able to sell them. I don't know, from some reason. Maybe this one, it's a lot of them in the market in that moment and you're not able. Now they added Lucky Draw, so you can use your unusable NFTs. Open Lucky Draw and you have on the right corner here recycle. You press on recycle and you're gonna see your NFTs. For this one that is level 5, no, let's take one level 1. This one for level 1, I'm gonna get 1 point. You can get 1 point. Let's close little. With this, when you collect those 10 of that points, you draw 1 time. When you collect 50, you draw 5 times, and you can get all those things on from this spin. And drop rates, let's see, you get food, time, and a lot with less and less chances, more expensive things. The chances are very low, 2.6, 3, 9. Highest chance is to get food, but food is very good. You convert your unusable NFTs into food to feed your more expensive NFTs, to grow them and to put them on staking to get a higher hash power, so you can get more crazy coins. Alright, At the end I'm gonna show you how I made a lot of crazy to buy so many rare NFTs. Let's see if I'm right. No, excellent NFTs, sorry. Not rare, I don't have. Rare are very expensive. 2000, I think you can make 2000 as well. Because I bought, for example, I have around 3 or 4 like this. More than level 6, I have level 7 I think. I'm gonna teach you how to buy more expensive NFTs, how to make more money. Let's verify the transaction. Yes, it's okay. Okay, now let's return to Lucky Draw. Let's recycle all my unusable NFTs, but all of them are usable if you don't know how other way to use them, because you have those crystals up and the colors here, if you see, and the hash rate here, and the level. It's more complex than just to use them on staking. See my other video with the link in the description and you're gonna understand. Now we're gonna sell all of those so we can make some draws. You can get 16. I'm not gonna sell this one, it's only 8. If I'm not selling this one, it's 11. And I'm not selling, let's see, this one. And I'm gonna get 10 points. Recycle. Confirm. My pin. Alright. Close. We go to see when the transaction on the blockchain is completed. It's not yet completed. We're gonna have a notification. Why is taking? It's success. Okay, NFT recycling success. We close this. We go back to Lucky Draw, and now we have 10 those coins. I don't know how they are called, but I can draw one time. Let's draw. Lucky, 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 lucky. I got 10 revival card. Yeah, it's good, because with revival card, when you play endless and survival, if you die accidentally, if you lose, you use one revival card. More you advance in the level, you're gonna use more, but first time you're gonna die, you're gonna use one revival card, and you revive and continue your game. Alright, if you don't understand the new update Lucky Draw, write me in the comments and I'm gonna explain you more detailed. Or if you don't understand anything about this game, tell me and I'm gonna explain you. Because there are many. Let me show you on tournament how much I won. How you can make a lot of money. You bet on those snakes, yes, you vote on blue or pink, and here it shows the history, how the games went in the last hours, every half of hour, and this is how I won. I bet 50 and I won 148. I bet 100 and I won 141. I bet 120 and I won 204. Here I lost, here I won. But if you see, more I won than I lost. Yes, this is how you make a lot of money, and you buy higher level NFTs to put them on stacking, to use them on playing, to eat more rewards. Alright, thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye.